It's gonna be my new background for my phone because I got the Thunderbolt.
Why is there smoke over there? Or is that a tornado? Is that a tornado? Is that a tornado? Or is that just smoke?
No, that looks like just smoke.
Damn, that'd be cool. Look at the fucking sky, dude.
Oh, crap.
That is wicked.
Oh my god. There's probably a tornado coming through.
Whoa. This is awesome. I just can't get the... Need to turn on like outside lights or something just to show how flooded it is. Well, the sidewalk's gone. Cause it's... No, there's another storm coming. No, there's like 2 more cells on its way.
Yeah, there was one on its way from Waco earlier. I've been watching the
We just
weather.
drove.
Can you open the garage so I can...
Yeah. I just drove from Arkansas.
You got a kid.
They shot there.
2.5 foot of rise.